What's good, YouTube? It's me back again with another video. And today's, you guys, I'm going to be doing another unboxing, of course. So in the last video, y'all seen me unbox. Hold on, let me flip the screen. Y'all seen me unbox this, which my birds have destroyed, and my room is still dirty from that. So yeah. I'm going to be unboxing something else and building it for you guys. So where's that package? Okay, so here it is, y'all. I'm gonna cover up everything right there. And here's the thumbnail. Okay, got it. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to open it from here because it looked like they tried to open my package. If you can see there. So we have our handy dandy scissors. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just gonna snip. Okay. I'll be back once I have this thing opened. Okay, so I have it open, but I have not looked yet. This is all I see. So let's open. So I seen in other people's videos it was small. I don't know if this is small. I'm not for sure the real size. Because videos and pictures can be very undefined and unknowable. So okay. That's probably the type you can pop. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna use this as a thumbnail then. No, cause yeah, no. I just thought about it cause y'all gonna know immediately. Okay, so this is what we have. I think that's the instructions that I just dropped. And yeah. Okay, so this is just telling me their products. So let's look at their products, I guess. Okay, so these cages are horrible, first off. The toys are good though. Those cages are horrible, but those toys are pretty good toys. And yeah, that's what is on their thing. And yeah, you guys, please do not stop. Camera, I'm gonna be so mad if this camera stops. Okay, so now we're on my bed, which I don't even have a tripod, so I'm gonna have to sit here and hold this camera. So let me show y'all how I sit it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flip the screen. Please still be recorded. Okay. This is what I see. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so I'm a little confused because I am, and I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, hold on, let me turn off the flash. Y'all, I don't want to touch that because I'm scared. It might stop. I really don't know. Hold on, let me go to these because y'all, I'm sorry. This camera is everywhere. This is just telling me the parts. Okay, now I see it now. So I need this. And this glue, I think it's safe to have around. I think it's safe to have around birds. I'm not for sure, but this thing right here needs to be glued onto here. Is this supposed to be broken like that? Okay, so it does look like that on the box. I mean, on that paper. You guys, I'll be back once I glue this thing. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. It is unbalanced because the lighter is not on there yet. Okay, so this is what I have. And now I'm going to add this to the side. Which is very difficult. I'll be back once I get this thing on here. But this is the process, the progress. You guys, I'm sorry this was a very short video, but here it is all done. It was so difficult for me just to get this rope on here with this, and it's still not fully on. I don't know why it was acting like that, but yeah, it's a ladder right here, and the glue is not dry, so that's why my birds are not on it. But yeah, there are my birds, if y'all were wondering. And yeah, there it is. It is pretty big, actually. To me, it's pretty big. And you guys, I really just want to get this thing all the way down, but it just won't go. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the glue to finish. They told me to wait an hour before I put anything on there, but I wanted to show y'all the end result. And here's a little swing, which I might have to pull that over some, and then have that like that. But yeah, you guys, that's how it's looking. And that's the finished product. And here's their little stand I showed y'all with food and poop all over it already. They ate breakfast there, so yeah. But that's the end of this video, you guys. Peace out.